All right, here it is, everybody. We're going to pull the engine out of the Mustang today. This is that 289, and it has a C4 automatic transmission attached to it. My neighbor's having his leaf blower guys blow his leaves, so that's all you hear in the background. So we got, I think we got the engine pretty much all prepped to get pulled. We have this hoist leveler thing bolted to it. So we're going to take it off the jack stands, bring it outside, and then use this engine hoist and yank it out of there. So we'll get it shoved outside and pretty much all rigged up, and then we'll come back and show you how we pull the engine out. Alrighty, we're going. Let's go. Start jacking it up. See what gets stuck. Full strokes.
Getting stuck, it's free. Yeah. Now do we have to start to keep it back?
Yeah. Start to keep it close to the front. Alright.
Yeah, it's free. Yeah.
I'm just looking around and make sure nothing's hung up. Go ahead and keep going.
That board just dropped out.
Yeah, that's alright. I'm just looking around and make sure nothing's hung up. Go ahead and keep going.
That board just dropped out.
Yeah, that's alright.
Can you check this firewall? You can get closer.
Alright, so it's out. It took literally like probably 10 minutes. We only had one hold up with the speedometer cable. We got that out of the transmission, and now the engine is out. So we've kind of reached another milestone. It's not really sitting on this wood. We just have it like balancing there just to keep it from swinging around. It's really hanging on the hoist and then sitting on the tail shaft of the transmission. So this is the 289. I don't think we're going to use this engine. I've pretty much decided that I want to do a more modern engine. I think I'm going to get a 302, with some roller lifters in it, and go fuel injection. These engines just aren't as well. You can't put a roller cam in these, or easily anyway. I can do a better deal with a 302. So here we are inside the engine bay. It's all opened up now. So we'll be working on the suspension next in the front, brakes, getting all that done in the meantime while we're doing simultaneously getting an engine built. So there it is. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Keep coming back, and we'll be working on the Mustang.